How to use AutoZone for car parts lookup. Well, to use AutoZone for car parts lookup, you want to open up AutoZone. Once you open up AutoZone, you'll be able to see the option to find parts and products. So here, if you head into search bar and if you search in for particular products, so you want a radiator, you can search in for radiator. Now the next step to use it properly is to tap on add a vehicle. So what you want to do is you want to select tap on add a vehicle there below the search bar. Once you have searched for your item that you wish to purchase, then you want to select make and model. So you can select the make here of your particular car, right? Then you can select what kind of popular mix it has, whether it is Nissan, Toyota. So I'll select Toyota here for now. Then you want the model, you want to select the model of it. Once you select the model, you can tap on add vehicle here. Then you'll be able to find that particular products that is compatible with your car, right? So this way you can use AutoZone for car parts lookup. For more accuracy, you can also use the VIN scanner in the app. So you can see the scanner option, tap on it, tap on allow, and you can use the scanner to scan the VIN, or you can also enter your license plate number to automatically populate vehicle details as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.